સ્કૂલ ઓફ સાયન્સ બામણમાં ઓનલાઈન અભ્યાસ રસાયણ વિજ્ઞાન લેસન 2 દ્રાવણમાં તમારું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. સ્કૂલ દિવસે દિવસે પહેલાં ઝલક જોઈશું અને સૌથી પહેલાં જોરદાર રિઝલ્ટ વિશે તમે વિચારી શકો છો કે આપણા મજાનું રિઝલ્ટ અહીંયા તૈયાર છે. ઓકે, ત્યાર પછી આપણી સ્કૂલમાં ધાર્મિક કુમારને, મિત કુમારને, હિમાક્ષીને, ખુશીબેનને શું મળ્યા છે? સ્કોલરશિપ સર્ટિફિકેટો મળ્યા છે. અને એ જ રીતે આપણું આ ધોરણ 12નું પરિણામ તમે જોઈ શકો છો. તો એવી જ તમારા પાસે પણ અપેક્ષા સાથે આપણે Welcome students to Lux, and today again we are going to discuss about colligative properties and ionic compounds. Students, okay, what is colligative property now? Colligative property, we have discussed nearby 4 colligative properties. I will like to write these properties here. So this was in vapor pressure. That was the first our property, lowering in vapor pressure. You know that, okay? I hope that you know that. Then second one is elevation in boiling point. This was the second one. Third one is depression in freezing point. So this is the third one. We have different kind of colligative property. One more is remaining, yes, and that is nothing but the osmotic pressure, and that we have discussed in our live talk. So I'm purposefully here not writing about the osmotic pressure, because I know that you all have time, you used to everything, but you are careless person, because you know that I will put in the video. So that's why you are going with only one thing, and that's I don't like, and that's why I have tried here to different thing. That's why I am doing here this. Okay, so this will be our bright idea about today to understand colligative ionic compound. Dear students, compounds have some different idea. If we go for the drawing, then here I have drawn, taken two into container. I have taken same amount of water in both. Okay, in both I have taken same amount of water. Now I am going to 1 mole of each. Suppose I have taken here NaCl, which is symbol as a 1. So here, okay, here I will write symbol as a okay, चलो रहा दो, ये 1 2 ना बदले आज हारू पड़से. Here I have taken suppose NaCl. This is NaCl, okay, as a blue color જે તમને દેખાય છે એ water molecules છે, અને આ green color ના NaCl. And here I have taken glucose. આની અંદર મેં ગ્લુ લીધું છે, dark blue color એ glucose નો છે. Okay, so this is our different topic about this, કે કોઈ જગ્યા પર મેં આ લીધું છે અને કોઈ જગ્યા પર આ બાજુ લીધું છે. Now take out the formula of salt. The formula is NaNCl. Okay, this is the formula of salt. And glucose formula, you know, everyone know, C6H12 and O6. This is the formula of glucose. Okay, so now what is the difference between these two? Where is the difference? So difference is very interesting. Where is the difference is also very interesting. So if we go with this NaCl, then you can see NaCl can be divided into two parts, Na plus and Cl minus. You can't divide glucose. Okay, now mole of each. આનું પણ 1 mole લીધું છે. 1 mole of NaCl and also 1 mole of glucose. There is going to difference. When we will talk only NaCl, then there are 2 molecules will be enter here. How many? 2 molecules. One is Na is going to enter, one is Na is going to enter, one is Cl is going to enter. So here there are 2. So total if we will count, then we have to multiply this thing, this 1 mole should be multiplied with 2. We should multiply this 1 mole with 2. You understand? Because here we are going to take out 2 moles. So this should be multiplied by 2. અને આપણે કેટલાથી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવું પડશે? 2 કરવું પડશે because there are 2 ions. And due to that reason, whatever we are going to measure will be difference. Okay, see here, vapor pressure will lowering down 2 molecules. Here in same 1 mole, if we talk about here 1 mole, so in same 1 mole, the vapor will be lower down by 2 molecules. By 2 molecules. These 2 molecules will, vapor pressure will be in 1 mole, and that will be the difference between these. We have some different idea, and that is why basic give you about this properties and ionic compound. Now we are going to discuss according to the book. We know that ionic compounds, when dissolved in water, dissociated into cations and anions. Okay, for example, if we dissolve 1 mole of KCl, 1 mole of KCl, that means 74.5 gram, its molecular mass is there. In water, we expect 1 mole of each of K plus and Cl minus ions to be released in the solution if moles of particles in the solution. What I have explained by the example of NaCl, the book is explaining with the example KCl. Okay, so this is our first and bright idea about this. Now we are entering into the second point. Okay, true and calculative value. Just I have explained that whatever we will calculate value, whether it will be true. So truthiness, we are going to do calculation will be true or not, and that's we are going to understand by this point. If we ignore interionic attraction, 1 mole of KCl in 1 kg of water would be added to increase the boiling point by 2 into 0.52 Kelvin. Now see, what is 0.52 word is there? As a 0.52 word આવ્યો, why it is there? ઓ બાપા દુકાળમાં દીકમાસાને કહેવાય. Okay, so this is interesting. Sometimes this is happening with us. So many time, not sometime. So I am just putting out this bag, and we are on the 2 path again. Okay, so there is no problem. Students, ઓકે ચલો નો પ્રોબ્લેમ, થોડુંક વધારે આવશે, બીજું તો શું. ઓકે, સો વી આર ટોકિંગ અબાઉટ કે મોલેક્યુલર ઓફ ઇથેનોઇક એસિડ. ઓ બહુ બધું દૂર જતું રહ્યું. True and calculative value. So here what 0.52 suggests? 0.52 means this 0.52. Why it is taken 0.52 only? So dear students, 1 kilogram water ની અંદર 1 mole જો KCl હોય તો તે water નું 0.52 કેલ્વિન જેટલું શું કરી શકે છે? ઇન્ક્રીઝ બોઇલિંગ પોઈન્ટ ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરી શકે. તો 1 મોલ હોય તો 0.52 કરે, પણ અહીંયા તો 2 મોલ છે એટલે 1.04 જેટલું કરી નાખ્યું. ધેટ મીન્સ આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરશું, આપણો આન્સર 1.04 ના હિસાબે આવશે. 1 મોલ જ લખેલું છે આપણે. 1 મોલ ગ્લુકોઝ લાગશે તો 0.52 જ આવશે, પરંતુ 1 મોલ NaCl નાખશું કે KCl નાખશું તો 0.5 બદલે એ થોડુંક વધારે આપશે. સો ધેટ વિલ બી સમ પેનિક થિંગ ફોર અસ. એ આપણા માટે કેટલુંક પેનિક વસ્તુ છે. So that's why we have to go very in this case. આપણે આમાં બીજી રીતે જવું પડશે. And what will be the these different thing, and that we are going to study. Now if we did not know about the dissociation, we could be lead to conclude that the mass of 2 mole particles is 74 gram, mass of 1 mole KCl would be 37.25 gram. This brings into light the rule there is a dissociation of solution into ions. The experimentally determined molar mass is always lower than that true value. હવે આ થોડુંક તમે કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ છે તો હું સમજાવું છું શાંતિથી, બહુ શાંતિથી સમજજો. કે સપોઝ આપણે કેજી વોટરમાં એના મોલેક્યુલર માસ જેટલું એટલે કેટલું 70